So we're gonna whip up some tartar sauce, right? Very good on fish and stuff like that. Wagwan, wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
First thing I want is some capers, right? So I have a teaspoon of the capers here. I'm gonna chop that up finely. There we have the capers, about a teaspoon, into a quarter cup of mayonnaise. I have here some fresh parsley. Gonna chop up some fresh parsley already washed. Fresh parsley, about a teaspoon chopped. I'm gonna go in. And to that I'm gonna go into a little bit of black pepper. This is optional, you don't have to. Some freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm gonna go into about a quarter teaspoon. Nothing too crazy. If you have sweet pickle, you can use a sweet pickle, but I'm gonna go into a little bit of relish. 2 teaspoons of relish and a touch of honey, nothing too crazy, about a teaspoon. You're just gonna give that a mix. You can use this for your saltfish fritters, your saltfish balls, anything you want. You know what I say? You can use this with fish, the deep fried fish I use, anything that has fish, shellfish, you can use this for your shrimp. Go ahead, go crazy. You can even put this on your burgers. It's so versatile. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. If you did enjoy this video and you learned something new, give the video a like. Put a thumbs up on the video. So if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. So until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.